Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes. Kids, 2D shapes. Beautiful color. Red color, green color, orange color, pink color, sky blue color, yellow color, dark blue color, green color. Shapes drawing. Kids, cloud. Cross symbol, moon, rhombus, heart, pentagon. Color fill kids, brown color, cloud, orange color kids, cross symbol, blue color, sky blue color, moon, yellow color kids, rhombus, purple color kids, heart, light green color kids, pentagon, cloud, cross symbol, moon, rhombus, heart, pentagon. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.